MSc Part 1 Organic Chemistry, Unit 2, Paper 3, Unit 2, Nucleophilic substitution reaction and aromaticity. This is topic, and in this the point is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In that point is a aliphatic nucleophilic substitution, and some point is SN1, SN2 and SNI reaction, mixed SN1 and SN2 reaction, and set mechanism. SN reaction involving NGP means neighboring group participation by aryl rings, alpha and pi bonds. Factor affecting this reaction. What is the factor? Then firstly is the substrate, then nucleophilicity, solvent, steric effect, hard and soft interaction, and last is the leaving group. Then some point is the embedded nucleophiles SNCA, SN dash, SN1 dash and SN2 dash reaction. Then the SN at sp2 vinylic carbon is the last point. Firstly is the SN1 reaction. What is the SN1 reaction? This reaction involves an ionization mechanism which is proceeded by the rate determining heterolytic dissociation of the substrate to a tricoordinate carbocation and a leaving group. Carbocation stability is tertiary is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. This dissociation is followed by the rapid combination of the highly electrophilic carbocation with a Lewis acid present in the medium. A free energy diagram for the SN1 reaction of tertiary butyl bromide and the water is shown below. Firstly, the 1,2-dichloro-2-methylpropane as used as reactant. In this, the chlorine is very nicely leaving group. Then next step is the tertiary carbocation is formed, is very stable. Then H2O as a nucleophile attacked by the carbocation, then stabilized by H2O and formation of product is a tertiary alcohol. Out of 2 chlorine atom in the reactant, only one is replaced by hydroxy group because it is in an SN1 reaction, and only the chlorine atom bonded to the tertiary carbon is replaced, and water then act as a nucleophile. Then the effect of the structure of the substrate on SN1 reaction. What is the effect? Firstly, the major structural features necessary for the substrate to undergo SN1 substitution is the presence of substituent which is stabilize the carbocation. Derived from it, these are the substituent which have plus I and plus M effect. Plus I is a inductive effect and plus M means plus mesomeric effect. Among the alkyl halide, for all particle proposed, only tertiary halide react by SN1 mechanism. A tertiary carbocation being stabilized by 3 electron releasing group. The allylic and benzylic halide can be react by an SN1 mechanism since this substrate can form relatively stable carbocation. In this structure, the allyl carbocation is stabilized form, and second is a benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation is stabilized by positive charge. In this, the benzyl cation is almost as stable as an allyl cation, and in a benzyl cation as well, the positive charge is relocalized by the around the ring. The recall that the unsymmetrical allylic cation is attacked by the nucleophile at both ends, and the radioselectivity is determined by the steric hindrance. In the case of benzyl cation, the attack is almost always in the side chain. Another point of interest is that due to high instability of phenyl cation, phenyl halide show the retard SN1 activity, but for when the leaving group is very good as a nitrogen in the diazonium salt. The methyl chloromethyl ether. With ether group of plus M type is a hydrolyzed fast in water. Plus M means plus mesomeric effect. The intermediate form after the heterolytic dissociation being the delocalized carbocation means oxonium ion. In the next page, in that the plus M type group means plus mesomeric effect. In this, the Cl is a best leaving group. Then is a primary carbocation is formed, and this stabilized by adjacent oxygen lone pair. Then H2O is a nucleophile, act as a nucleophile, then attack to the primary carbocation means CH2 group, and then hemiacetal is formed, and then hydrogen is removed and form the aldehyde and CH3OH means alcohol. Means two functional group is formed, aldehyde and alcohol. B strain and I strain effect, the effect are observed in many substrates, and these affect the rate of SN1 reaction. When example in tertiary alkyl halide R3Cl, one or more R group are highly branched, like example is a tertiary butyl, the ionization is facilitated by relief of steric crowding in the going from the tetrahedral ground state to the transition state for ionization and finally to the carbocation. This strain, which may be present in suitable substrate, is called B strain. Similarly, I strain effect SN1 solubilization rate in some cyclic compound. The nucleophilic SN1 substitution at bridgehead is impossible or very slow, since the rigid bridgehead system prevents the rehybridization to a planar sp2 carbon. However, when such a structure is flexible, the SN1 reaction can take place, since now the bridged carbocation can be generated. Then what is the kinetic study in the SN1 reaction? The rate is directly proportional to the substrate, means tertiary butyl chloride, means the rate is equal to K, means constant tertiary butyl bromide. The rate of this reaction only depend upon the concentration of the substrate, that is the chloride, and thus independent on the concentration of a nucleophile, that is OH minus ion. Hence, it is the first order reaction. In that, it is the two-step of mechanism of reaction. In the first step, the alkyl halide, the ionized to form the carbocation and halide ion. Then in second step, the nucleophile, that is OH minus, can attack either from the front side, gives the retention, and the back side gives the inversion in same probability. The intermediate of from the bond break is known as the carbocation as the planar geometry. That since the nucleophile can attack in the either front side or back side, that means both sides. Then third is nucleophilicity. The rate of SN1 reaction are independent of the nature or concentration of the nucleophile, since it does not participate in the rate determining step. The next is a solvent effect on SN1 reaction. The majority of the substrate in SN1 reaction are neutral. In this case, the more polar the solvent, the faster the reaction. There is a greater charge in the transition state than in the starting substrate. The polar protic solvent, for example, will largely increase the rate of the ionization of an alkyl halide. Since it can solve cation and anion, the solution stabilizes the transition state, leading to the intermediate carbocation and halide ion. More than it does not the reactant. Consequently, the free energy of activation is a lower. Then, the nature of the leaving group. In either SN1 or SN2 reaction, the leaving group acquires the negative charge as the transition state develops. Thus, the effect of the leaving group is the same as studied earlier for SN2 mechanism. Second is stereochemical outcome of SN1 reaction. The reaction at the stereocenter of an optically active alkyl halide lead to the racemization to the intermediate formation of a planar achiral carbocation. However, the enantiomers are not normally formed in the equal quantity. The major enantiomer has the opposite the configuration to the substrate, that is, inversion predominant over retention. The carbocation R plus and the leaving group X minus exist for the while ion pair R plus X minus. Consequently, the X part of the ion pair shield in the side of the carbon atom to which it was attached. The incoming group therefore has a more chance to attack the other side. Then the SN1 reaction. The SN1 reaction, the relatively stability of the carbocation which is formed. The formation of the relatively stable carbocation has a significance in the SN1 reaction, since it means that the energy of activation for the slow step will be low enough for the overall reaction to occur at a reasonable rate. This step is endothermic, and according to the postulate made by the Professor Hammond, the transition state and of an endothermic step should bear a strong resemblance to the product of that step, as the product of this step and an intermediate is a carbocation. Factor that stabilize it will be also stabilize the transition state in which the charge is developing. Stabilization of the transition state lowers its potential energy and therefore lowers the energy of activation. Then, how in the SN1 reaction is the substrate molecule falls apart? Then, it is pulled apart by the molecule of solvent. Many SN1 reactions are carried out in the polar solvent like water or mixture of water and other organic solvent like methanol or ethanol. The polar solvent aids the ionization process, helping the pull the halide ion off. Then second is SN2 process, SN2 mechanism, the nucleophilic substitution second order reaction. In this, the mechanism of an SN2 reaction is a concert one step process without an intermediate and involves the backside displacement of the leaving group by the nucleophile. The configuration at the carbon atom undergoes the substituting inverts since the nucleophile approach along the diametrically opposite to the bond to the leaving group. If the stereochemical outcome of the reaction points to transition state in which the carbon undergoing substituent involves a temporary rehybridization from sp3 to sp2 and finally back to the sp3 to sp2 hybridized back to the sp3. The sp2 hybridized carbon has a p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the bonds and which particularly overlaps with an orbital of the leaving group as well as with that the incoming nucleophile. In that reaction is an example. In the S configuration, carbon has a sp3 hybridized. In that, the nucleophile attack to the back side and form sp2 hybridized with a p orbital. These are the transition state. And lastly, nucleophile is added to the carbon and back to the sp3 hybridized carbon, and X is a leaving group, X minus, and it gives R configuration. In that, in this reaction, there are the inversion of the configuration, S configuration to R configuration. Then the structure of the substrate. The rate of direct displacement, that is an SN2 reaction, is highly sensitive to the steric bulk of the substituent present on the carbon undergoing this reaction. As expected, the degree of the coordination increase at the reacting carbon atom and form the steric point of a view. The optimum substrate will be CH3X, is the alkyl halide. Each replacement of a hydrogen by more bulky alkyl group should decrease the rate of reaction. Consequently, the order of the reactivity of alkyl group is expected to be methyl is more than primary, is more than secondary, is more than tertiary, and this is observed. Gives the relative rate of typical SN2 reaction. Methyl halide is a react most rapidly and tertiary halide react to slowly, so slowly as to be the unreactive by the SN2 mechanism. It may be noted that in E2 reaction, the order of reactivity is in the opposite to this. Therefore, the SN2 or E2 ratio is the largest for primary halide, while it is a least for the tertiary halide, and this is seen during the reaction of alkyl bromide with the ethoxide ion in ethanol at 55 degrees Celsius. Thus, tertiary halide do not give any significant yield in the SN2 reaction. One fails to prepare, example, tertiary butyl cyanide from tertiary butyl chloride, and cyanide ion is the product is desired only from the elimination is CH3 2 times C double bond CH2. Then in SN2, what is the kinetic study in this reaction? In SN2 reaction, rate is a depend on the concentration of a substrate, that is the primary halide, and concentration of a nucleophile, that is OH minus ion. Then rate is directly proportional to the substrate and nucleophile. That means rate is equal to K constant is a alkyl halide and nucleophile means OH minus ion. So it is second order reaction. In this reaction, the nucleophile OH minus attack to the carbon atom from the back side because it is the least steric hindrance and there is a electrostatic attraction between the nucleophile and carbon atom. In case of nucleophile attack take place from the front side of halide, then will be the steric hindered halide as well as the electrostatic repulsion between OH, that is nucleophile and halide. Since attack takes place from the back side and product has inversion configuration. Then SNI reaction. What is the SNI reaction? An alcohol may be converted into the alkyl chloride from the reaction of the alcohol with the thionyl chloride either in the ether solution or in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of ether, the chlorosulfide first formed decomposed via the intimate ion pair. The ion pair collapsed to give the alkyl chloride with the retention of configuration. In the presence of pyridine, the chloride ion liberated, which then bring about an SN1 displacement on the chlorosulfide, and now configuration at the stereocenter get inverted. In solvent like diethyl ether, most of HCl in lost of as gas and chloride for the substitution comes from chlorosulfide. In the case of pyridine, pyridinium hydrochloride bring about an SN2 reaction. This reaction shows as to how reaction condition can change the stereochemical outcome of the reaction. Then in this SNI reaction is the substitution nucleophilic internal reaction. It's called SNI reaction with the retention of configuration. In this example, the 2-butanol S2-butanol is reacted with SOCl2 and form the chlorosulfide ether in the ether solution, and then a closely associated with ion pair is a chlorosulfide ester and form S retention of configuration. In SNI reaction, the alcohol with a thionyl chloride convert to the OH group into the good leaving group. The reaction does not follow the SN2 mechanism as there is no inversion of configuration. The alcohol first react with thionyl chloride forming an intermediate alkene chloride sulfide. In this step, the inversion is not possible because the bond between the carbon atom and oxygen atom is not broken. Then the chlorosulfide loses the SO2 and form and intimate the ion pair. The intimate the ion pair is short time intermediate in which the carbocation carbon and chloride ion are in the close before the carbocation changes its configuration. It combines with a chloride ion to form alkene chloride having the similar configuration as the alcohol. As the reaction is intramolecular, it is called the substitution nucleophilic internal, that is SNI reaction. In this lecture, the SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction and SNI reaction are completed, and in SN1 reaction, the factor affecting this reaction is the substrate, nucleophilicity, solvents, steric effect, leaving group R is covered.